In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a blower motor module on your Honda Pilot. This will be located under the dash on the passenger side. Let's get started. Reaching under the dash, you're going to find a connector for the blower motor module. There's going to be black tabs on either side. We're going to pick up on these, and as we do that, we'll pull the connector out. I'm going to pull that connector out of the way. Using an 8mm socket or a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the 3 bolts around the blower motor module. Remove the 3 screws. Using a trim removal tool, we're going to pop the clips right here and in the front on this white clip as well. Once you pop those 2 clips off, you'll be able to remove the blower motor module. Install the blower motor module into the vehicle. Line up the holes for the blower motor module and start the screws by hand. With all of the bolts started, go around and snug them down. Install the plastic stays into their brackets. And install the connector for the blower motor module. Push until you hear a click. If you don't hear a click, give it a pull. Make sure it's locked in. And then you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.